My name is Daniel, and I work at Ubisoft as an IT manager. I support both our internal teams and our client-facing web applications. At Ubisoft, accessibility is a core part for our commitment to create experiences that everybody can enjoy. And I'm not talking just about our games, but also in the tools, services, platforms that basically support millions of players and thousands of employees worldwide. I guess as our ecosystem grew, we realized that ensuring accessibility across our web applications, both internal and external, was essential. So we wanted to make sure our products were usable by everyone, including people with disabilities, and we wanted to reduce the risk of accessibility issues into production. That's why we invested in a more scalable, automated approach to accessibility testing, and that's how BrowserStack became such an important part of our workflow. We chose BrowserStack because we really needed an accessibility expert to help us. We needed to accelerate our testing, obviously to reduce the manual effort. We use BrowserStack, their accessibility testing suite, for automated WCAG scanning and reporting. Spectra rule engine, the detailed reports with screenshots and code snippets, the remediation guidance stood out immediately. Also, the platform gave us the possibility to have schedule scans, which are extremely helpful, trend analysis, and Jira integration, which fit perfectly into our workflows. Why BrowserStack over other tools? We evaluated accessibility tools, but BrowserStack consistently detected more issues, provided clearer remediation steps, and integrated better with our already existing processes. And in terms of return of investment, it was obvious for us we had more automation, less manual work, and better coverage. BrowserStack helped us automate a huge portion of our accessibility testing. Instead of manually checking more than 100 pages, we now run scheduled scans and complete reports within minutes. Developers receive actionable remediation steps, screenshots, and exact locations of issues, which dramatically speed up the fix time for us. In terms of manual hours saved, there's over 2,000 hours that we save every 3 months. As for accessibility issues, we've reduced them to 5% of our previous KPIs. The developer fix issues significantly faster thanks to the remediation steps. This is of great help to us because we accelerated our delivery, and up to 90 to 99% fewer accessibility issues when teams use the internal design system, 100% reduction in device lab maintenance overhead, earlier detection of issues before production pushes, and clear visibility into trends of new versus fixed issues. I just wanted to mention the BrowserStack Figma plugin. One of our biggest wins was discovering how effective our internal design system was when we audited tools built with it. With the help of BrowserStack, we've noticed a 90% to even 99% reduction in accessibility issues. This insight helped us push more teams to adopt the design system, improving accessibility across the board. And whenever a team is not able, because of technical limitations, to use the design system, then BrowserStack's Figma plugin helps the team check their components for accessibility issues even during the design phase. In terms of internal feedback, our QA teams are extremely happy. They can finally focus on a much smaller subset of manual tests. Project managers appreciate having a clear and comprehensive view over the accessibility status, and they've been seeing the impact of a lot lesser issues within their products. Overall, BrowserStack helped us improve quality, reduce risk, and make our products a lot more inclusive. It's a complete solution. You get automated WCAG testing, actionable remediation steps, real device validation, and seamless integration with your existing workflows. It reduces the manual work, it improves the coverage, and gives teams everything they need to build accessible and high-quality projects. So if you lack the knowledge, the time, or the expertise, just go for it. It's going to save you an extreme amount of time, and I'm pretty sure you won't regret it.